What needs to be in mint condition? This is actually a pink mint. I call them pink mints. They're wintergreen lozenges. They're my very favorite. And I think the only place you can find them these days, except for maybe specialty candy stores, is at Fleet Farm. Believe it or not, if you know what Fleet Farm is, it's like a farm and everything store nowadays. But it's really interesting. That's the only place I can find those pink mints. I call them pink mints, and I love them. They're wintergreen flavored, so they're fun. But what does that have to do with mint condition? And what is mint condition? And what does that have to do with supersizing and growing your business? Mint condition's been around since 1887, so it's a relatively new expression and idiom. And it comes from coins and grading coins, because coins come from a mint. And so selling used coins and trading in coins, and then it moved to stamps and other things. Now with eBay and Amazon, it's used to describe used books, and it just means they're like new or as good as new. Mint condition means perfect, pristine, as if it had just rolled out of the mint where the coin was made. I don't have any super brand new coins. I suppose I'd have to go to the bank to get those, but I'm not going to, because these days it's COVID and we don't go to the bank very often. But mint condition, my question for you today is, what in your business, in your mind, or in your idea, or in your beliefs, has to be or needs to be in mint condition in order to supersize and grow your business? Now, it could be nothing needs to be in mint condition. Maybe you are like an eBay seller, or you sell on Amazon, or you sell used goods. I think used books or goods. Or you have an antique store, or a secondhand store or business, or, I think of Goodwill as a huge example of things. Sometimes there's brand new things at places like that. Sometimes there are well-used, barely recognizable things at antique stores, at Goodwill, at secondhand stores, or at auctions. I was thinking of auctions today too when I was thinking about this. And it's always a fun thing when you can find something that is in mint condition at one of these type businesses. So what in your business number one, do you sell things that are brand new, fresh off the press, fresh out of your mind, fresh off? Do you sell a service? A service is pretty much new every time you use it. Do you sell things that it's important to know what kind of condition the things are in? Do you resell things, or do you sell brand new things? And does that impact your ability to grow and supersize your business? So I actually like this idiom, this expression. I've used it. I've definitely read it and heard it thousands of times in my life, because I do like to buy things on Amazon, on eBay. I've gotten a lot of books. I learned to buy used books in college, engineering books. They're hundreds and hundreds of dollars per semester. So I learned that, hey, the used ones were just as good as the brand new ones, because I was going to write in it and highlight and draw in it. And anyway, so what difference did it make if I bought a brand new pristine book? I think my first year in college, I bought brand new books, and then I had the sticker shock of, oh, maybe I don't need brand new books every time I need a book. So I don't know how college works nowadays, but that would be like one of my first exposures to things, with the exception of course, hand-me-down clothes from my big sister. But mint condition. What's your take on this particular idiom or expression? Share in the comments below. That's our money idiom for today, which happens to be upside down money idiom. Thanksgiving Day here in the United States, so I've been cooking up a storm all morning, and I'm excited to get back to it. I haven't really personally cooked a Thanksgiving for years, and so I'm having a blast with it. Have a great day. If you have any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another money idiom for the month of November. We're running out of November. I'll have to think of something else for next month. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.